Hey everyone, so today we are going to talk about the real-time assertions in Selenium. Consider a scenario like validating the UI elements and the URLs, titles and the API responses in automation. So we can define it as the assertions verify the expected versus the actual results in the automation flows. And analogy, like checking your shopping bills and comparing items and prices to what you ordered. And real-time example, verify the page title after login and verify the product price matches the DB and API responses. And consider a syntax like iterate test method public void e-commerce test. So driver.get an URL and asset equals driver.get title and shop home. It is the title of the web page and asset to driver.find element by.id and locator and is displayed. So this is the sample code snippet for the e-commerce test method. And we have the conditions like can you use for the both hard and soft sessions and usage like we are using in the UI like titles, URLs and element visibility and in API like status codes and response values and DB connections like we use the data consistency checks and considering the real-time testing data like expected title is like dashboard and expected price rupees 500 and actual price of rupees 500 and shortcuts like use access true like for the conditions and messages for the quick checks and tips and tricks like custom error messages helping the debugging faster and you can keep it in your mind like remember like assertions equals to the bill checking and conclusion like we can say that assertions make your automation test meaningful and you can answer like interview answer tip like what is the role of assertions in test strategy. You can answer like to validate the actual versus the expected results in the automation.